Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to a brand new video. This is for the 10-day challenge. Now today I'm going to be showing you guys my game that I may or may not have ripped off of Flappy Bird. I caught it on Scratch. It's called Flappy Parrot. As you guys can see here, to see inside of it, it's pretty simple. You have a backdrop, and then we'll start with the parrot. When space key press, so when you click space, if speed is or less than 5, then it changes speed by 5. And speed is actually a variable that you, right here it's a variable, but I don't want people to see it, because here, if you look at speed and you start it, like, it has nothing to do with the actual game, right? So we're gonna bring it back over here, and then pretty much this is the code, and then these are the pipes, and yeah, so let's get it playing this. Let's try to beat 5. The way it works, we just move the pipes, not the actual thing, so it makes the illusion like it's moving. Alright, so we got to 3, and now let's try to get to 5. Oh, like my hair. There. Alright, let's try. You know what? Let's give it one more try. We've run the last one. So this game's actually broken, so we should just blame this keyboard. So you know what? Never mind, it's a keyboard. So yeah, it's pretty much this video. It's part of the 10-day challenge. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications, that little bell icon next to the subscribe button, so you guys never miss a future upload. So yeah, without further ado, Tech Jack 3 signing out. Peace.